Hello friends, in this video we will learn about the Maven, what is Maven and what is the need of the Maven. So first of all, Maven is the build tool which is under the license of Apache. So as a Java developer or any developer, when we create the application, we need different third-party libraries. So what we do manually, we go to that website and we download the library or download the jar, and then we manually add it in our application. So this task is very problematic. Like suppose there is a update to any specific jar. Suppose I am working on the Spring project. I need the jar of the Spring MVC or Hibernate. I will need a MySQL jar for database connectivity. So I need to go to the different website, and then I need to download it, and then I will add it to the my project manually. So if I will get the update to the any of the library, so it is very difficult to manage the dependency or manage the dependency of all of these jars. So for that Maven comes into the picture. So what Maven does, Maven is the build tool which by using Maven we can compile, deploy, build our application. Just what we need to do, we need to create the Maven application, and in that you will get the pom.xml file. So in that pom.xml file, you just need to write the dependency of the jar. When we build that application, Maven will go to the Maven repository, and it will automatically download the jar and it will store at your local repository. So you just need to add dependency in your pom.xml, and suppose I need a jar of the Spring MVC, I will go to Google and I will search for the Spring MVC Maven dependency. At that location you will get the Maven repository dependency. You just need to add it into your pom.xml and you just need to run your Maven application. You will see that the your jar is downloaded into the M2 folder. This will not happen regularly. Maven will download it once, and after that when you run the application, the jar will be used from your local repository.
So guys, did you understand the concept of Maven and what is the importance of Maven? Let me tell you one real-time experience which I learned about this Maven only. I was working with one of the Spark project. So that was my first time when I was writing the Spark project into the Java language, because Spark needs some kind of language. You can use the Python is there. We have Java you can use, or you can use the Scala is also there. So I was using that Spark along with the Java. Now the problem was when I just copied the code from the blog and pasted to my editor, I found that in that import statement there was a red sign over coming there. So there was a symbol. So I was just trying to figure out like what is the problem. So after I just spoke with my wife only, Roshani, because she is a Java developer. She is having better idea about this coding language. So I come to know like we need to add the dependency, and where we can add and how we can add, that is all done with the help of this Maven only. So basically we need to create a Maven project. There we have a pom.xml. Just add the dependency, and those dependency will be automatically downloaded from the Maven repository, which is an online process. Okay, so you just have your internet to be on. First time it will get downloaded, and next time you don't need to download because the downloads is already completed. So this is all the importance of Maven. Once I downloaded all those dependency, I found like okay, those error which I was seeing over there in the red screen. Okay, in the you will see some red kind of symbol over there. That was vanished. Okay, and my project got completed successfully. So that is all the importance of Maven. We will see more and more videos into the future. This is just an introduction part, and we will definitely try to show you how it is looking in the practical way also. So I hope this video was really helpful for you. If you have any concern, if you have any queries, just put it into the comment section. Definitely will be helping you out. Thank you so much for watching this video.